Funky D, welcome back once again. Today, make we just go into the news. This news they come from The Nation. They say Nigeria shut land borders over COVID-19. All right. Then they tell us here, say the federal government of Nigeria say they don't direct their people. Say make them go close all land borders with immediate effect. The chairman of the task force, secretary to the federal government of Nigeria, one person know before what we know say Boss Mustafa B. Now secretary to the federal government. Now the same Boss Mustafa don't come become the chairman of the task force. Tell me how Nigeria go take work. One person now secretary to the federal government. Now he come become again the chairman of the task force. I see that is why that country they jaga jaga. That is why Nigerian people will not the zero. Some of them, when they inside APC, when carry this government power for head, some get 5 position. Only one person. How you think say the person won't do better thing for you? How the person they take sleep well? One person go carry 5 positions. Like say now only that person did that country. Like say now only Boss Mustafa did Nigeria. Like say youths not there to do all this job. Already they don't fail. They continue to fail. And they will continue to fail, they go. Now the man name be the SFG, secretary to the federal government, and I can be chairman of the task force. They say na him come they address the media when accompanying him. And some other members of the group. Now there, Incon announced the closure of all land borders for 4 weeks. Incon talk say the head of the civil service of the federation say in go soon issue an advice to civil servants on the way forward henceforth. They can't close that one. So why I bring in this news, we see whether na only secretary of the federation, whether na only him they Nigeria. And again, why come be say then they give one person, only one person, 3 job, 4 job when in go the head. Like say that is why job not done Nigeria for the youth. And all these people they are old men. Old men, then when they not get nothing in their brain again, now that they carry, they call SFG, they give them the task force chairman, they give them this one, they give them that one. And all na northerners. Why Nigeria no go scatter? Why Nigeria no go be the way when it be today? Make una reason one time. Make una just reason for the first time. Why Nigeria no go be like the way when it be today? When people they beg for job to do. Now, una they come out and they tell us say in don't order them to close the land borders. That one another side one I want to talk about. But una remember the time when Jubri Abi people when they were then they talk what they talk say they don't close the whole borders in Nigeria. See, that is why the farmers go boom. I mean, farmers go they enjoy everything. They go well for the farmers and all that. And all those things what they don't tell us before. But today now again they tell us say then they close border. But they don't tell us say this border they don't close them before. That is why you no go finish in that country where they call Nigeria. Border, Buhari abi Jubri, abi na Mamanda or abi na Abakari who when they rule Nigeria don't tell us say they don't close border. Since over 5 months now, we they talk this border matter. Today now, they don't come and say they don't order them to close all the whole land borders. When una go begin tell our people the truth. And this is one of the reasons when Nigeria they fail. Because we are not this sincere to people when they govern. That is why we not get good advisors. That is why things just they fall apart. koro under our nose. Another one don't come again, ladies and gentlemen. COVID-19, CJN, direct closure of courts for 2 weeks. This one, another Hausa man, no, another Fulani man. When be CJN, Tanko Mohammed, we will go straight forward to the matter. The Chief Justice of Nigeria, when be CJN Justice Ibrahim Muhammadu, he say he don't direct the suspension of the judicial activities in courts nationwide. Nationwide. Now they tell us so everywhere, every corner, every angle when court today, they don't close them. But this one they talk say na 2 weeks being owned. The other one they talk say the further notice, you know. The justice, according to them, Justice Mohammed, in a directive on Monday, in his capacity as the CJN and chairman, National Judiciary, any JC, in Donyan say they need urgently to close the court settings throughout the country. So they inform everybody because of the threat of the coronavirus pandemic. In con the note say this one na reality o, say no be kwekwe one o. The man can say no be joke o. That is why in go take steps to close every court within that country. I spokesman of the Supreme Court, Dr. Festus Akande, in can say the CJN don't direct all court, everybody to go into hiding until 24th of March 2020. Yes, there is another, another news when I see this morning, when I want to share with my viewers again. This news now concerning the doctors. But make I take a little time ship this in. Even Bola Tinubu himself don't support the closure of everywhere. In fact, now the closure of Senate don't shut down. The other place where they call Aso Rock, everything, they don't shut everything down, ladies and gentlemen. But this will not be the one when they funny to me. Get one news when I see this morning. When I want to share, like I said before, to people when be my viewers all over the world. Here again, they don't come again, they tell us now, say at least 15 Nigerian army killed in deadly Boko Haram ambush. We don't yarn that one before. We don't tell another one before in one of my video. But that one, they can't say now 47 now, they don't they talk say now 50. Now make me just let the world know again how many people went on die. So Nigeria can they shout say make they can they react say make them shut down Aso Rock when they take the react about the Abba Kyari matter. This news I was surprised. Get what I see before. The government of Nigeria, then they tell Nigerian people say Pata say then go call back all the whole old doctors when they don't resign before. Now that one be that news. The thing surprised me when I see the news. I was like, what? Una won't call back the whole doctors. Which doctors una won't call back? Una get doctors. Nigeria get doctors. All this thing now, don't all this, but they come. Everything when other countries won't try do, then go just come and do like say, then they get to one thing where they won't do to Nigerian people. All these things now mouth making. All these things where they tell Nigerian people now blah 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 blah. The doctors when Nigerian people get, all of them, they don't pursue all of them go America. They don't pursue all of them go America, go they look for a job. We don't talk this matter before. See why Nigeria government they allowed our doctors to they run, they leave the country. They not agree do any put things in place for these people when we see them go school. Now all of them they America. Majority of them, some day London. They do their job. They do their good job. But today, we they see Nigerian government won't come do like say, e get one thing where they don't do for Nigerian doctors. When they make all the whole Nigerian people when study as doctors, all of them don't run come out from Nigeria. But then they tell now say, oh, pata then go bring out Nigerians old doctor when we say they don't retire before. Where their numbers they? Or which even Nigerian doctor will take that risk come out? See, when you see this thing a deadly thing, when everybody they fear. Ordinary abakiari, una not face. Now those people when they go come face death. This death threat what they call coronavirus. So why Nigerian government go they come out, they publish waiting, then no say now why you thing. Now that one can they make me the feel say, man. This Nigerian thing then be in a comedy all of the arts. We doctors want to get in that country. Now, this one go teach you a lesson. Una when they run go abroad, go treat on yourself. Oh yeah, make una run go now. You won't be back here. Oh yeah, take flight now. Go back to abroad where they come from. Go back. Go treat yourself. All on when be so be ministers and people when they there in Asurok there, when be APC and PDP, all of them together they ask on a question. Una when carry that coronavirus now, make una when be everything when they claim say now be everything in that country. I say make una wear on a cloth now una fly enter America or enter London, go treat on yourself again. All the whole doctors, the good doctors when we get, when supposed they help Nigerian people at this point in time. All of them, they are abroad. They work in abroad. Because the good people of America and the good people of Britain, UK, they don't give them job. Now there then they work. So make una stop to they come out, they deceive Nigerian people. They claim say, una get one doctor when una won't call back to work. When they don't retire. That is still the same problem when we still get with these Nigerian people. Una they call back old doctors when we say fresh guys full everywhere. Able-bodied guys when we say they don't study. Even somebody did level 4, you know, or level 3. You don't know say that person don't go far as a doctor. All those people when they're supposed to serve the nation. Not be old ones when their brain don't rust. Una will carry come give Nigerian people say now then won't come help. Where they're not even there available. They're not even there available. All those young guys when don't graduate, when they fool everywhere, they walk up and down in the street. Now them are supposed to employ. Now so heroes they act. Now so leaders they act. Now so people when they feel say then they lead the country. Now so then they act smartly. Those young guys when we say they fool everywhere corners of the country. When don't graduate as doctors. Now them una suppose call, not be old men when they not get anything inside their brain again. Where are they? Those old people, when are they brag for? When go boast come out. Everything when they tell una before, me una put job, put things in place, create job, create employment for people. This one at the time now. This time, this deadly coronavirus time at the time when men supposed to come out and stand and work for their nation. But Nigerian people, they're not getting because when we tell them, even the other man they call Minister of Labor, every time we talk this matter, the Igbo Christian Gige from Anambra State. In don't brag, say Nigerian government cannot give anybody employment. Make you not expect APC government to give anybody employment. Now the thing when the man brag for. Now the thing when they brag, say nobody when APC government will give you. May you not expect government to do one thing or the other for you because you are not going to see it. Even in your lifetime. Say make people just they go abroad, go they find job. Now so the man they brag. Today now. Then when don't talk this thing before, when don't send Christian Gige, say making contact the words Nigerian people say they no give no job. May they not expect job from anybody. Say make doctors run come off from Nigeria, they want them out. Everything there for news. Not be joke, we dey hear the joke. We dey here to expose these people. Now they don't forget what they tell Nigerian people before. Now they don't come back, now they tell us, say then get some old doctors. Say now, pata pata, the pata pata line they talk. They just they make mouth. To that on a mouth, nobody they buy her. Nobody they buy her. I say now when it don't kogi there. Now when it don't set. O set it go oni. O set it go oni. Abakiari oni. Oyana. Oh, yeah, bought flight now. May you go back to London and go treat yourself. Not be London, are they wrong go? Oh, yeah, wrong go now. Easy. Oh, yeah, wrong go. So that is why we tell them, say, make una they do better thing. Make una they invest in that country. Make una they invest for the country people. Make una they carry our money. They go dump in Dubai. Everybody don't hear another 160 something billion. Now him, Nigerian government, sitting senators, sitting ministers, sitting governors. Now him then get investment in Dubai. Only in Dubai. Ekweremadu, all of them they involved. The other man they call Bagudu, all of them they involved. The Bagudu when we say in thief money with Abacha. The money when they don't launder with Abacha son and Abacha himself. Go America. When American people discover the same Bagudu. Now governor today, Kebbi State governor. Now him the man be. The man tell Buhari and APC government, say that Abacha money, say he must to share $100 million out of the money when they recover. Now they ain't thief the money with Abacha. Still in the governor. Still they get mad, they tell them say he must to collect $100 million out of the money. Somebody when supposed go jail, go sit down for like 150 years. Una must to go that jail when time comes. Una, when don't put Nigerian people in this level where they dey. That's why they ask about carry now. All of una now, when they into government, when carry coronavirus now. AKA COVID-19 according to Jubri. Oh yeah, now make una fly now. When they tell us, say, make una they do things for our people. Create job, do this now. Una go here. Una go here. This one at the time now when una go begin to they rethink. If not be black mind, all of una get. Now una supposed to they begin to rethink. Oh, supposing we get good equipment in Nigeria. We will get well for cure us, or I mean hospital will for go save ourselves. But una not fit do anything. Abroad all of una. They abroad now on the wrong go. Everywhere the same thing they. In fact, they no go even allow anybody land any country in the world now. They don't receive anybody. Just exactly the same way when Jubri ban people, now so them ban Nigerian people. Already, long time, American people don't ban them before the coronavirus time. Before this coronavirus come, America don't send Nigerian people to hell. Just exactly the way when Boda Buhari day for her, they cry for what he do to Nigerian people before Abba Kyari and Mama Daura do him, waiting and do him. That one day hell, and he continue to day there. God no go forgive that kind of person. Just exactly the way God no go ever forgive Abba Kyari and the whole Northern Kabas. So now so the matter be, now so the matter be, ladies and gentlemen, from this say, now so it be. One love.